Welcome to Leo Green Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make a one-part mold for a different Obito mask and also an Kakashi Black Ops mask. So what I'm doing right now is I'm hot gluing the mask down so they can stay nice and snug and flat onto the glass surface. And I am mixing and measuring my silicone so that I can make a mold of it. The first layer that I'm going to put on is going to be relatively thin. This is a part A and a part B mold, so it's a 50-50. So I measured it out. I poured over the mask and it settled. So this is my detail one. It's going to be the liquidiest one when I'm first starting this off. But it's going to not have any air bubbles trapped into it. Okay. And it's going to get thicker. I added a little stiffener into the silicone, and that made it stickier so it won't be as liquidy. And I pour it onto my next ones, and I'm just mixing up, and I'm doing this a little layer by layer, the mixing, and right there I'm making some keys. So as I go, I make little keys. That's the first little layer over it. And then I am attaching the keys. The keys is going to help the jacket stay fixed when I put the plaster bandages over my work. And it's just going to lock in. So I waited for those, gave it about 30 minutes for them to kind of stiffen up. And then I started adding more of the latex on it, and I'm smoothing it out, and I'm going to add those little pieces at the end. Here I'm setting up my gauze bandages, my plaster bandages, and I'm going to put it on one half of it at first. And I'm going to do that to all of them, where I just put it on one half of the mold. And this is just so I can support the latex. The latex, if it didn't have the shell, it would just lose its shape. And in between the little half of the molds, I put a little Vaseline so that they won't stick to themselves. So I'm doing the same thing there as with the Vaseline again. And I'm coming over and just laying it over in a fashion where it'll be solid. So those bandages right there, that's just going to support the latex mold part. And I am making the color part. I'm already mixing it up so that I can pour inside of the mold. So the latex is ready to go. Or excuse me, not the latex, but the silicone is ready to go. And I'm rotocasting these one-part molds that I'm doing. So I'm mixing it up between each layer of it. So I am about to reveal my Obito mask. So I've been working on some 3D prints that I printed out, and I made some molds of those 3D prints today and yesterday. And I plan to do more of these. Do a print of this one, the war mask. So I'm gonna start off in order. The fourth Hokage mask. Okay, the fourth Hokage mask that Obito wore. Try to match the color kind of similar to it as well. This is just a print, but this is the real deal right here. So see how that turned out. Right there. Take off its jacket. And now let's have the reveal happen. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. I'm just gonna get his eye out of there. There it is. It's coming. Oh wow, look at that. That is perfect. The 3D print versus the copy. Oh my goodness. I just clean this up and this will be ready to go. Really pleased about this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have the fourth Hokage mask. Go ahead and put this jacket on, back onto it again so I can do another one. Maybe get some people to be interested in if they get their own. I'm just putting this back together because I can easily make another copy. Tomorrow. Thanks, Jordan. Okay, set this over here. Fairly safe. Hey Tori, let's see. Now I have Obito's or Tobi's mask. So here's Tobi's mask 3D printed. And now I'm going to put on the reveal of this. Let's see. Take off the jacket. Let's get stuck to the jacket. Just put some Vaseline on that. Okay. Now the reveal part. Overtails or Tobi's mask. Oh, that is even cleaner. I don't know what day tomorrow is for the characters, but that is nice. These are Naruto characters. All right, this is a Naruto character that I'm doing. Marvel Naruto characters can be next. They definitely can be next. That is nice. That is nice. That is like spot on to the colors that I want to do. And then I have to clean them up a little bit. Then I can wear them. It's be nice. So here's a 3D copy of it. And here is the printed copy. That's very nice. I'm gonna make a lot of these. I'm gonna make a lot of these. All right. And Ambu blackout mask. Do that next. Let's see. Put it back in its jacket. I'm definitely going to probably print that one out tomorrow. I'm going to make that one where it breaks in half and it comes back together. So that's probably going to be a little thicker mask than the other ones. Hey there, Chantel. Let's see. Had my last one for today. I don't know, I might actually do some more tonight. I think I might take it out of its thing. I'm gonna actually post a video of me making it on YouTube and TikTok later on. I'll probably add this part to the end of it for the video on YouTube. So if I had a drum roll, I'll be going with that. So I'll start from the bottom. And I'm just peeling it away. Some of the flashing coming off right there. But it is a winner. Have to paint these next and actually put the little straps or the bands to hold them onto your head. Or I can actually make them where they can be mounted onto the wall. I'm good, Tina. I've just been busy doing this. Actually been doing a lot of painting too. I have to do a reveal on that one soon. I have a very special painting that I'm doing. Goodness, get this off. Undercuts in his eyes and in his mouth. But this is some strong silicone, so it will make it. I can just pull it out. There it is, the last of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I try to be as awesome as I can be. And to paint that, oh, that is gonna turn out so nice. I am super happy about this one. That one right there is so good. And relatively light too. In this jacket. Probably make some of these in some kits I can send out, and people viewing, you can order you one and kind of make your own and color it the way you would like to color it. Thank you, Tiff. I guess the next video I'll clean these up, paint them, and then show you the finished product. But it is definitely it for now. Thanks for watching Leo Green Studio. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I'm making new videos. Thank you.